Hi, this is Dave Forster with Basecamp Trading, and I am watching Qualcomm to see if it's able to continue moving up. It is currently forming a bearish pattern that's referred to as a head and shoulders pattern. So that is where you've got a left shoulder, which is right here. So I'll just draw it in a little bit. So this swing high right here from May 11th, and then also this would be the head right at the 52-week highs with two lower highs on each side of it. So that is the May 29th candle. And the right shoulder could be forming. So we had a bearish engulfing candle yesterday. And so far for today, we have a lower shoulder or a lower high and a potential right shoulder here. So watch the high of yesterday's bearish engulfing candle. If this winds up holding as resistance, then we could get a break of support. And for the neckline, you could draw the neckline right in through about, right in through here, roughly double bottomed around 190. So off of this low from May 19th over to this low on June 10th. If this support breaks right around 190, then we could get decent amount of upside. So the expected move would be from the high of the head, so all the way from about 260. So that's a good amount of points potentially to the downside, about 70 points worth of potential downside. But as I mentioned, it depends on how this right shoulder forms. So ideally, we would move down from here, but it's a potential bearish setup, assuming that this bearish engulfing candle holds. If we take out the high of that bearish engulfing candle, which is right at 231.19, then that would invalidate the trade. So keep an eye on Qualcomm as a potential bearish setup. Could be a big move. And what could also be a big move is joining Basecamp's trial. So if you head to bctnow.com/join, head right there and this page will load. You'll be able to get 30 days of unlimited access to our Platinum Club rooms for just $7. All right. Hope that helped, and keep an eye on Qualcomm.